Namaste Yogis, and thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're gonna target our feet. We'll do some yoga for our flexible feet. So if you have some kind of stiffness in your feet, if you have some kind of ankle problem or anywhere in your toe and you're feeling not so flexible, so here are my top 3 stretches that I do daily to make my feet more stretchable and more flexible. So let's just explore some of it. Yeah. So for the first pose, that's one of my favorite, by the way. So for the first one, we will do our toe squats. So you just have to tuck in your toes and you have to sit on your heels and just relax here. You can adjust your feet if you want. Now just come back, sit, just relax. Yes. Now feel the stretch in your toes. This might be a little difficult for you to hold, or this might be very easy for you to hold. It depends on how much ankle strength or toe strength or how much flexible you are. So it's completely okay if you are feeling a lot of pain or if you're not feeling any kind of thing. So if you are feeling a lot of pain, you can make this pose a little bit easy by putting your hand down on the ground and lifting your buttocks a little bit up. Yeah, this will make it little easy. So you can hold here also, or you can come back here if you don't feel any pain. Yeah, you can put more weight on your ankles. Just stay there for at least few breaths. Keep breathing, take long deep breaths. You can also close your eyes and feel the asana. You can feel the stretch. Let go of all tension from your feet. If you want, again, you can keep your hands down so that it can be a little easy for you. Yeah. Hold as much as you can. No need to force yourself, just do as much as you can. Be there, take long deep breaths. You can close your eyes. And slowly we will come out of the posture. Slowly come out. We will do exactly reverse of the posture. We have taken our toes out. Now we are sitting normally. Now you can come in the tabletop position and you can start flapping the feet. You can start flapping your feet on the floor. Just feel the blood rush going through your feet. Yeah, just relax your feet. Let it easy. Yes. So the second one is also my favorite. So these 3 are always my favorite. So the second one is you can keep your hands back. Yes. And slowly take your shin bones off the ground. Your knees off the ground. Now feel the stretch here in your ankle. Yeah, you'll feel the stretch. This is exactly the opposite of what we did. Keep a smile and just try and relax. If you are not able to hold this posture, if it's a little bit difficult for you, so what you can do is you can place a cushion under your knees right here. Just keep breathing. Keep feeling the stretch. It will make your feet more stretchable, more flexible. Yeah. Just feel. If you can't hold, you can come back and you can go back again. Yes. Also, you can make it a little bit more intense. So how you must have seen the rhythmic gymnasts, the ballerinas, and so what they do for their feet is you can just make a little bit more intense. How you can place your hands right in front here. Now you just have to take your knees up near your chest and you will feel the extreme stretch on your ankles, on your feet. Yeah. So you just have to take your knees up. Your full weight is on your toes, on your ankles. This is something, if you are looking for something intense, yeah, do it with a lot of care. Hold as much as you can. If it is getting too much, you can slowly come back and relax. So the third pose we will be doing is the downward facing dog pose. It's a dancing downward facing dog pose actually. So what are we going to do is we're going to place our hands here. So we will start paddling our feet. Your toes are on the floor, your heels are up. One heel will go down and touch the floor and the other one is coming up. Keep paddling, keep dancing in your downward dog. Yeah, you will feel a good stretch. Keep breathing. Keep breathing, take normal long deep breaths. And let's relax. Let's relax. Yes. So, these were my top 3 favorite foot stretches, yoga for feet. And in case you have a flat foot, if you have a lot of stiffness in your feet, if you get a lot of cramps in your feet, these 3 exercises will help you immensely. These 3 yoga postures, these 3 stretches will help you immensely in removing the stiffness, in removing the cramps that you get in your feet, or if you have flat foot. So try and incorporate these exercises in your daily routine and they will help you immensely. Thanks for watching my video and joining me on this video. If you have any questions of any sort, please feel free to leave your questions below. And please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we are very much active uploading the videos. Like we upload 2 to 3 videos every week. We are very much active on Instagram. So we'll see you in the next video, and Namaste Yogis.